Call off is a very common English phrasal verb. It means to cancel something like an event, meeting, or plan. Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition to create new meanings. Call off specifically describes stopping something that was scheduled to happen. They called off the wedding due to bad weather. This means the wedding was canceled because of rain or a storm. Notice how called off replaces the single word canceled. Both sentences mean exactly the same thing. The game was called off because of bad weather. Sports events get canceled when rain makes the field too dangerous. Called off sounds more natural than canceled in this situation. The meaning stays exactly the same. She called off the meeting at the last minute. This shows someone in charge decides to cancel a business meeting. Last minute means very close to when it was supposed to start. Called off works perfectly here. We had to call off the trip due to the storm. Travel plans get canceled when weather becomes dangerous. Had to shows there was no choice because of safety. Call off describes this situation clearly. Police called off the search after dark. This means they stopped looking for someone when it got too dark to continue safely. Called off shows the action was ended, not just delayed. The main meaning of call off is to cancel events, plans, or meetings. Use it when something scheduled will not happen. It's perfect for weddings, games, trips, and business meetings. Now you know exactly when to use call off.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.